Hello, today I'm going to be taking a look at these Brian and Danny tabletop ethanol fireplaces. I'm going to open up the boxes, show you what's inside, and then we're going to try them out. So first of all, inside the box we've got an instruction manual, and you want to make sure that you read this thoroughly before you start using the fireplace. And inside here it shows you all of the features of the fire and all of the parts that are included. We've got our metal base and tray. We've also got our durable wick, which is going to last us a long time. We've got our fire killer. We've also got a funnel for adding our ethanol fuel. And we've got some screws for attaching the glass sides. And then we have our tempered glass side plates, and these come securely packaged. Assembly is super easy. You just attach the side plates using the supplied nuts and bolts. The burner itself has a maximum fill level, and that's indicated with a little metal sign inside there, so you don't want to fill the ethanol fuel past that level. So I'm quickly going to assemble the other fireplace and then we'll see them both in action. And again, the assembly is super quick and easy. So now these two are ready to use. Next thing we need to do is add the fuel. To add the fuel, make sure you use the supplied funnel. You can place that into the burner and then you can add in your fuel. When lighting the fireplace, make sure you light it from the side and not from the top. And there we go. As you can see, they look fantastic and they give off some heat, so make sure that they're placed away from anything that's flammable and that you've got some good ceiling height if you're using them indoors. They're made from really high quality materials and they're super easy to assemble. So they are the Brian and Danny ethanol fireplaces.